Thinking about closing a credit card to cut back on spending? Yeah, that might seem smart, but it can actually hurt your credit score. In this video, I'll explain why closing a credit card hurts your score and what you can do to avoid the negative impact. One of the biggest reasons is credit utilization. That's the ratio of your balances to your total credit limit. When you close a card, your total available credit goes down. If you carry balances on other cards, your utilization percentage rises, which can lower your score. Another factor is the length of your credit history. Older accounts help boost your score. If you close a long-standing card, it can shorten your average account age, which may decrease your score temporarily. Your credit mix matters too. Lenders like to see a mix of credit types: credit cards, loans, mortgages. Closing a card reduces your active accounts and can slightly affect your score. So, what can you do? If you want to close a card, try paying down balances on other cards first to keep utilization low, or consider keeping the card open but unused. You don't have to spend on it, but it still helps your score. Finally, track your credit score after any changes. Use free monitoring tools to watch for drops and ensure your score recovers quickly after paying down balances or opening new accounts. And that's why closing a credit card can hurt your score. By understanding credit utilization, account age, and credit mix, you can make smarter choices and protect your credit. If this helped, hit like and check out more tips for managing credit wisely. Ever notice